Nitong Huwebes ng gabi masayang ipinagdiwang ni Maam Charo Santos ang kanyang ika-70 taong kaarawan. Kasabay nito ipinagdiwang din ng veteran actress ang kanyang ika-50 taong anibersaryo sa showbiz na dinaluhan ng kanyang mga mahal sa buhay, kaanak, malalapit na kaibigan at mga bigating pangalan sa industriya. Spotted si Bea Alonzo kasama ang kanyang boyfriend na si Vincent Co. Bukod kay Bea, present din sila Vice Ganda, Judy Ann Santos, Piolo Pascual, Dingdong Dantes, Jericho Rosales, Ian Veneracion, Martin Nievera, Sharon Cuneta, Koh Ledesma, Butts Anson Roa, Helen Gamboa at marami pang iba. Labis ang pasasalamat ni Maam Charo sa lahat ng nagpaabot ng pagmamahal at pagbati sa kanyang espesyal na araw. Panoorin ang ilan sa mga bidyong na ibahagi.
Ma'am Charo, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Meme.
Love you, Meme. Ganda mo, Meme.
Morning. Ay, sige. Nasaro kasi lang kasi.
One more. Salamat po.
Thank you po. Hi, Bel. Bel, hi.
Miss ka na ni ano. Ben.
Kapin. Kapin. Papi.
FMG. Hello po. Hello po.
Bilis na lang.
Bilis picture naman kami. Hindi po ako nakapicture. Umulang siya kami.
Enzo, hindi pa ba ako kakain? It's masisi, kakain na po kayo.
Let's hear it for the birthday girl.
Hindi dumating ka. Talagang pina-invite ka namin. Kasi binabasa namin yung program, masyadong seryoso, kailangan ng magpapatawa. Na-appreciate ko po yun. Na at least nakita niyo yung talent ko. Sabi ko po, ano mong gagawin ko? Patawa ka na. Nakaka-flatter naman. Naniniwala kayo sa kakayahan kong buhayin ng bagot na pabigay na ito.
Is no joke, and you carried it so well with so much grace in every era. That is a true idol. So tonight I want to give you this gift called Gracias, because that's exactly what I want to tell you tonight. Gracias for all the love, the laughters, the lessons, even the tough ones, kahit masakit sinasabi mo. And thank you for showing me that strength can be soft and power can be gentle. You are a true masterpiece. Gracias.
Your 70th birthday tonight, what I got you are books. Mga libro. Yun, because I know that you are a voracious reader. Di ba? Bago ka matulog, nagbabasa ka. Pag nasa banyo ka, nagbabasa ka. Pag naghihintay tayo sa airport, nagbabasa ka. Hanggang eroplano, libro pa rin ang hawak mo, di ba?
But ngayon, I'm more confident and elegant because of you. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy to be mentored by you. And you have blessed us with your grace, wisdom, and kindness, and you're an inspiration to all of us here. And I'm so happy to be able to celebrate this special day with you. So happy birthday, Ma'am Charo, and happy anniversary po. May God bless you more, and here's to fruitful year.
I just want to thank you for allowing me to tell you this in person. Thank you for giving my dreams a chance.
Nung tinawagan ako ni Tita Chip around a month ago, she told me, Martin, pwede ba kayo ni Francis medyo mag-entertain kayo sa isang party? Sabi ko, okay, sige, party nino. Tapos sabi niya, party ng bagong TikTok sensation, na mainit sa jet. Sabi ko, sige, sure, why not, no? And then, so Kuya and I arrived here sa Okada, tapos nagulat kami, patay. Party pala ni Mommy.
Yes, this 70-year-old lady is wearing a dress that's above the knee. Thank you to all the kind words, the heartwarming messages from the artists, the performers. Maraming salamat po. And of course, Creation for giving this wonderful party. Thank you so much. I am humbled, I am grateful, I am blessed, and God bless everyone. Thank you. Charo,
greatness can exist in one person. Happy 70th birthday and congratulations on your 50th year in showbiz. Here's to more stories, more laughter, and more beautiful years. We love you, Charo, always and forever. And because I know you appreciate this, let me say it. Dear Charo, this is one story that will never end, the story of your heart. Happy birthday.
Everyone, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday!